Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kira's Workshop. Did you know that in Mexico we have a lot of legends, other than the typical Catrina, Llorona, or the Chupacabras? Well, you're in for a treat, cause there's not a better way to start this spooky season than with a bunch of Mexican legendary creatures. And that's what this collaboration is all about. 11 artists, 11 legends, from all around Mexico. My legend is the legend of La Yusca, an old witch that enjoys appearing at funerals to sing to the departed. Yep, that's not creepy at all. For this project, I'm using a Purrsephone doll. Those cat ears gotta go though. Now, legend has it that when the Yusca was young, she was a very beautiful witch that was able to transform into different animals. Also, she used to take off her own eyes, ew, and replace them for two hot stones so that she could see in the dark. One day, she hid her eyes inside a hole of a church wall, and when she returned, they were gone, so she had to keep the stones all the time. So for her eyes, I'm channeling this stone look where the edges are red hot but the center is black. I'm using my watercolor pencil to draw the cracks on the stones. Later, I'm filling the rest of the eyes with black. For the makeup, I'm just making a black smoky eye. And of course, we gotta highlight this bad witch. And pop that jawline. To light up the fire on her eyes, I'm using a yellow watercolor pencil. And after a coat of gloss, her eyes are hauntingly amazing. As I said before, this witch could turn herself into animals. So to incorporate this to the doll, I cut tons of small feathers and I'll glue them around the eyes. I want to give her an amazing headdress. For this, I'm creating small candles by using some bamboo skewers and covering them with hot glue. Later, make the dripping wax effect. Paint them black. And for that waxy look, give them a coat of gloss. I bought some skull beads, paint them black, and now I'm popping the details with silver paint. For the hair, I'm using these burgundy wefts, which I'm gluing directly on the scalp. To start building the headdress, first I'm adding some black roses around the head, and to cover the wefts. I'll cover the spots between the roses with the skull beads. And on the center, I'll glue the candles. Time for the dress. The skirt is inspired by the escaramuza, the female version of a charro. This is a sport of gorgeous women with beautiful dresses riding horses with music on the background. This skirt consists on a circular cut with some layers of gathered fabric. In my case, I'm using these lace strips in 3 sizes. I'm using this Claudine Wolf top, folded color, and traced on black fabric. Now I'm just sewing the hem. I mark the center of the top to sew more lace strips. Off camera, I'll stitch the top and the skirt together. Looking really good. For the details on the top, I'm taking inspiration from the dress of a Tehuana, where they have these colorful embroidered flowers. I'm using my sewing machine to add the flowers on the lace. And I'll add a waistband with different colors. To add some shine on the flowers, I'm mimicking dew drops with tiny crystals. And since the skull beads are hollowed, I need to cover the holes with red crystals. Look at that shine. Oh my god, yes. For the shoes, I'll stay true to the animal magic and I'm using these Cleo Denial cat sandals. What a cultural journey! Don't forget to watch the rest of the legends on this collab, formed by Alicia García Customs, Cerise Charms, Darkrafting, Dollie Corn 4, José Pablo Black Swan, Katie G Dolls, Moli Dolls, My Dollie Dream, Ooak Nara, and our lovely host, Valkitty's World. The links to their channels and social media accounts are listed down on the description box. Also, let me know in your comments what do you think about the Yuska. Don't forget to support the workshop by liking this video. Remember that sharing is caring, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Kira out!